Hi everyone. Today I have this is a Honda Jazz. Yeah. It's 2017 Honda Jazz here. Okay, gonna show you how to replace the battery. Okay, first things, right, you need to remove the key blades. Okay, you see the lever here. If you push it over, yeah, push it over, and then you can pull the key blade out. Now if you turn around here, okay, you see here, you see the keyhole here, right? And then the meter here is like a gap, right? If you can use the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or the key itself. I think for me, I prefer the key. If you just put the key between you see the gap here, see there? Yes, if you put the key blade between the gap, yes, and then you just kind of like a twist it. Yeah, if you twist it, you see it pop. You see, you hear the noise, it pop. Okay, then you just pull away the cover. Okay, you pull away the cover, right? Here's the battery. You see, cr-x.32 battery. Okay, now if you want to use your fingers to remove the battery, is fine as well, or you can use the screwdriver. Okay, the screwdriver, yeah, put it underneath there. Okay, just push it out like that. You go up, yeah, it will go up. See, when you remove the battery, make sure you hold it down, yeah. If not, the whole thing will pop out. We don't want that to happen, because otherwise it will be mess. You need to tidy up pieces inside. Okay, so you hold it down here, and then you take the battery out. Okay, remember that, yeah. Now to replace it, you see the spring on the end here, so the battery go in like that. Okay, this end go in first, and then you just press it down. Okay, and then now you line it up, line the cover up like that. Yeah, make sure it's line up. You just press it down. See, until you hear the click sound. Okay, now put the key blade back on. Okay, it's all done. This is a Honda Jazz 2017 car. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thank you.